was the taste? This is a how many liters pack? 1 liter. How many days it should last? But one bottle is there in my table. Go for this question answer session. Yes. And every month I take a free samples, and it lasts only for 4 to 5 days. Because I drink this like a water. I feel so good. It is such a wonderful product, and no side effect of this product, because this product can give you a lot of benefits but not a single side effect. Only sometimes you have a problem of loose motion, you may get the more loose motion. And that is the only thing you get, but I digest it most of the time. So I take like this bottle, a jar, and drink like not 30 ml or 3 ml. So it's such a wonderful, so beautiful taste. Now we'll talk about one of the finest product of the Proveda is red aloe vera. Big round of applause. First, so I will start with the chalk. Start with the chalk. What chalk? There is in fact no red aloe vera. There is in fact no red aloe vera. All you remember one thing. Some of the people say that we have a garden of red aloe vera. Actually, out of 200 species available in the aloe vera, there are 4 or 5 kind of aloe vera. When green aloe vera, when it matures, it converts to color green to red. Initially, it was a green aloe vera. Now, aloe vera is always green, but when it matures, it converts red. All you remember what? Think about that. Green chili, you keep it some of the days in the refrigerator. What color will have? Red. Chlorophyll converted to xanthophyll. So it's changing the color. And changing the color means it has become more and more mature. So today we will talk about the mature aloe vera, which in general we call the red aloe vera. So some of the people, if they say, sir, we have a red aloe vera garden. So you just think he is already bluffing to you. There are aloe vera species, red aloe vera, they are maturing and they are converting to the color red. And you will not get the exact red color every time. And some of the companies aloe vera, those who are copying Proveda, some of the companies you will get aloe vera is always red. And you will rest assured 200% there is a mixture of color. So friends, I am telling all of you, this is the thing you must know when you are countering the competitors. So must know the original thing out of it. So we are talking about the aloe vera, and aloe vera is a very well written subject. It has been well researched subject. There are a lot of books on aloe vera. Species of aloes, there are very few aloe veras are there, and red aloe vera usually 22 times more powerful than normal aloe vera. Why it is 22 times more powerful? You must know the answer. Because saying that 22 times, people may ask you, how come it is 22 times more powerful? First of all, when it is maturing, okay, the concentration of gel inside the aloe vera, it is thickening much and much more. And the gel is basically made by polysaccharides. So normal aloe vera, compared with the normal aloe vera, red aloe vera is having 3 times more polysaccharides than green aloe vera. Okay? Number 2, when it is maturing, concentration is increasing. Now when concentration is increasing, amino acid, when protein inside the aloe vera is increasing. So it is twice more amino acids than the normal aloe vera. And the most important, there are 2 chemicals inside the phytochemicals, not chemicals. 2 chemicals inside the aloe vera. One name is aloin and second is barbariol. So one is aloin and one is barbariol. These 2 concentration increase significantly, and these 2, aloin and barbariol, is a very, very powerful antioxidant. So it is, as we can say, that it's 22 times more powerful. It means inside the concentration also increasing like that manner. Red aloe vera is a miraculous herb. It prevents cancer, diabetes, tumors, when you're using in the skin, dandruff, hair fall, piles, and sexual problem. Now friends, having phytochemicals, aloin, barbariol, these 2 are the major phytochemicals in aloe vera. You will not available in any other places. So aloin and barbariol concentration is very high. Calcium, zinc, magnesium, vitamins are available also with this. So friends, aloe vera is a full of nutrition. And for the 1000 years in Indian Ayurveda, aloe vera, our Ayurvedic doctors are using. saying the name in India, Grit Kumar or Grit Kumari. So Grit means ghee, you know, and it say Grit Kumar means is inside the leaf there is a ghee-like substance, butter-like substance is there inside the gel. So this is the aloe vera. Indian name is Grit Kumar or Grit Kumari, or in international it is aloe vera. Friends, I am telling all of you, aloe vera is a purely Indian product. And especially in the South Asian country, you get a lot of aloe vera trees. What is the ingredient of aloe vera? First is red aloe vera. Very good for constipation, diabetes patient, providing the high amount of vitamin C, staying hydrated. This is very interesting. 99% of aloe vera is water. So some of the people ask me, sir, only 1% phytonutrient. So how it will work, sir? All is water. Okay? So for this I will tell you a story. Two boys were sitting, two kids. One is younger and his elder brother. One is around 7 years, one is around 5 years. And all you remember, the younger people in the family, they are more intelligent. Isn't it? And the father, they were doing something naughty thing. The father came and father shouting on them. What are you doing here, sitting? Go for study and all those things. The younger one telling to the elder one, don't listen to him. He is 70% of water. Because in human body, we have 70% of water, only 30% of father is there. So the younger boy is tell to the elder brother that he is 70% of water, don't bother about him. It is happening with everybody. The same thing happens. All those gels are there inside the aloe vera. It is 99% is a hydrating thing, it's a water. But inside the water, it is full of nutrients. Full of nutrients. So the water is carried by the aloe vera. It is not only the gel or water. The gel concept is 100%. And aloe vera is also promoting inside our body to prevent the dehydration also. So today, most of the people, you don't know how much hot is there in the summer when you will come to the Gurgaon or the UP side and all those things. Temperature goes up to 48. In Madhya Pradesh, it goes up to 50-degree temperature. In that time, there is a most dangerous and deadliest disease is dehydration. So aloe vera juice is also prevents your dehydration because it is having hydrating power. So 99% aloe vera providing this water in your body and improving your hydration power. So now this is aloe vera. Then anti-cancer, best for the skin, good for the gum and preventing ulcer. I get a lot of phone calls. People say, sir, for the gastric ulcer, peptic ulcer, what kind of product will you? The best product is aloe vera. And any kind of digestive disorder, aloe vera and then noni. These two is the best combination. Okay? I will tell you a little bit of combination also because you can, when you promote the product, you can use the combination also. So this is aloe vera, and then it has ashwagandha. Withenia somnifera. This is one of the miraculous herbs. It's called Indian ginseng. Ashwagandha is basically a purely medicinal herb, good for the blood sugar, reduce the stress, then reduce the cholesterol, cortisol, then steroid body part, and anti-cancer product ashwagandha. So ashwagandha, red aloe vera, and the base of this product is honey. And all you remember, it's not that sugar-based honey. There are a lot of companies you will see in winter, honey is depositing and sugar is depositing in the bottle, isn't it? Yes. This is not a sugar-based honey. It's a purely honey and for the use for the medicinal purpose. So this is the combination having, and taste is what flavor we are having? What flavor? Guava, amrut, guava flavor is there. So beautiful taste is also there. So bottle of this aloe vera gel, always keep distance with your kids and people like me because we are very fond of this aloe vera taste. It's like a fruit juice. It's a wonderful product, aloe vera. And telling you in this price, aloe vera you are not getting in any places. Doses of aloe vera is very, very simple, once a day only. Before that, the benefit of aloe vera, alkalinity, it maintains the body pH balance. 99% is water, as I told you. Improve the liver function, improve the constipative condition, those who have a constipation. Best for the clear skin, to those who are having the problem because of the digestive problem, skin problem, they can use this. Nutritional boost, full of micronutrient like vitamins and minerals. Heartburn, especially in the ulcer, it is very good. And digestive, it's very good of a digestive benefit and very good product for the IBS patient. What is this IBS? This is a disease called irritable bowel syndrome. It is a psychosomatic disease with the brain and your neuronal disease, and then it is a body disease. And this kind of people available in everyone's home. The people will see the person who is talking every day about his stomach. Today my motion is not good. I have a loose motion. I am getting the burning sensation in my belly. Today there is no motion. Today I have a loose motion. So every time we will discuss with this person, he will only talk about his belly and digestive system. And this is a psychosomatic problem. If you give the aloe vera juice to this kind of people, he will get regular motion. A person, IBS person is getting regular motion, his IBS symptom goes down significantly. There is a film you can see in the YouTube also, it's available in YouTube. Yes, absolutely. The film, name of the film was Piku with Amitabh Bachchan. Do you know him, everybody? Deepika Padukone and Irfan Khan. The three finest actor and actress of Hindi film. They have done a film called Piku. The character of Amitabh Bachchan is a Bengali character, Bhaskar Banerjee, and he was having an IBS problem. And you can easily identify this kind of people in your home also. Guaranteed. Every time is a subject of only is the stomach and motion or everything. Means whole of his world inside the belly. No other thing. So this kind of people are the IBS patient, irritable bowel patient, and it's a seriously problem creator. So this kind of people, aloe vera gel is a wonderful product. So this is about aloe vera. Doses are very, very easy, 30 ml once a day, empty stomach, very safe, but not to be consuming in the time of pregnancy, lactation, and person without intestinal irritation. Too much of intestinal problem not to use, and 1000 ml packing, and wonderful packing. Good packing? Yes. Yesterday, one of my friends was telling me, sir, this is good for both purposes. And what purpose? Well, sir, when we go to the Haridwar, we will take the aloe vera gel. We will finish the bottle and we will take Ganga Jal from there and we will go back to our home. So both cases it is very good. So you can take the aloe vera juice and aloe vera Ganga Pani from the Haridwar. Because some of the people they are planning to visit our plant. So sir, if you have an empty aloe vera bottle, give us, we will take Ganga Jal from there. You will take that. So it's the finest product and high beauty product. 800 MRP, 620 is the BB price, and 400 BB is around 70% BB product. So just think about a person is selling every day one bottle of Berry Plus Strawberry or one bottle of aloe vera. So he's having about 2000 BB every day. And end of the month he is supposed to get around 40,000 BB. If 20 days he works, 40,000 BB. Not a matter of joke. Only 1 hour, try to sell 2 products a day. And good amount of earning. Suppose self-purchase, if he is doing 40,000, then you can remember the retailer, repurchase club, everything he can get. Bottle of aloe vera gel every day. 1 hour job. 1 hour job. You have a wonderful connection and tell the people go some body jobs. Instead of carrying the 750 bags of packets of tea. Carry just 1 bottle of strawberry and carry just 1 bottle of Berry Plus. And sell this product, you will have a huge amount of money. So earning will increase. At this time I have decided to tell this comparison to every part of the Northeast because I am getting so much of call about only one product. One is tea, and was RBO. So the people, those who are sitting, sleeping on the tea, Assam, Northeast, all people, you are almost sleeping on the tea. Outside everywhere is a tea gardens. And these people are shouting for some tea. I don't understand what is happening. Only for 20 BB. So, I mean, just a joke, because without joking, you will not feel good. So, this is the product. Now, the next product.